Hey, Danny there. Welcome to my vlog around the house. Well, unfortunately, the winter got the best of my concrete project that I did during the summer. Oh man, that sucks. Now, what are you gonna do? Not much, huh? I guess I'm just gonna have to try again come summertime. Just sucks, but I guess I could expected it. It's been fine during the summer, but unfortunately you get the snow and the ice and everything else gets underneath it and freezes and expands and destroys it. So, oh well, what are you gonna do? I guess we'll have to wind up get some gravel this summer to build it up, and we'll go from there. Kind of bites. Some of it stayed down there okay, but majority of it. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and you catch me on the next Around the House.